Easy to prepare chocolate-flavored dessert. Perfect when you want to quickly eat something sweet or treat unexpected guests. Taste great with a cup of tea. Join me in making cocoa Pischinger. Ingredients for the Pischinger: 1 package of wafers, 5 pieces, 160 grams, 27 by 27 centimeters. For the cocoa filling: 200 grams milk powder, 150 grams sugar, 250 grams unsalted butter, 30 grams cocoa powder, 150 ml milk. Kitchen accessories: a large saucepan, measuring jug, knife, chopping board, 3 tablespoons, spatula, kitchen scale, aluminium foil, a couple of books or something heavy to press the wafers. Directions: preparing the cocoa filling. Put the hub on low heat. Cube the butter. Add to a large saucepan. Add the milk. Add the sugar and cocoa powder. Heat until the butter melts. This can take around 10 minutes. Mix until the ingredients are combined. Once the butter has melted and all the ingredients have combined, turn off and remove from the heat and set the saucepan aside. After around 30 minutes, the mixture should be lukewarm. You can cool the mixture quicker by pouring cold water into the sink and resting the saucepan in the cold water. This can take around 10 minutes. Don't allow it to cool too much, as it will become difficult to spread. Add milk powder to the saucepan. Mix until the ingredients are combined. Preparing the Pischinger. Place the first wafer on a chopping board or a table. Pour 1/4 of the filling onto the wafer. Spread evenly with a spatula, ensuring the cavities in the wafer are coated. Place another wafer on top. Layer with another portion of the filling, 1/4. Repeat until all the wafers and filling have been used. There needs to be a wafer at the top and bottom with filling between each layer. Wrap the layered wafers with aluminium foil and leave on the chopping board. Place something heavy on the wafers, for example, a few books. Leave for around 30 minutes. To serve, cut into small pieces. Thank you for this episode and see you in the next one. Smacznego, friends!